We are here to check out the HOTATA Smart Door Lock piece. It's pretty cool. Let's open this up and let's see what's actually inside. So this has multiple facets and abilities. It's not just your normal keypad door, but it's also got little card fobs. It's also got a thumbprint reader, and that's really cool. So inside the box, we just have these items over here. This is going to be the plate that you're going to install on the inside of the house with your batteries. And that way you can provide power to it. These are your keys for the door, as well as the smart cards that will open the door. And then these are all the parts you're going to need. I like how they've got them labeled in like backup screws. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Oh, wow. So they got all these really cool bags that actually kind of take you through the multi-steps of the unit. So that way you can make sure that you're doing it properly. I'm guessing step 1 and step 5 are going to be a separate step, so that's fine now. But you can see right here, because this piece is going to go here, and then this piece is going to go through the door. Yeah. So it'll be installed like this on the door, and you got your handle that'll control for both, once everything's installed properly, of course. So yeah. And then you'll have the card reader, which you'll basically scan right here, and that'll unlock it. You have your actual key, and you have your thumbprint reader here. The power is going to go through the actual hole in the door from one to the other, and that should be pretty straightforward. We'll set this up for installation so you can see how that works and show off all the apps and all that. But that is pretty easy going. They do give you a couple keys. They do give you a couple of the smart cards. That way, if you have kids, we have young kids, you don't really specifically want to give them keys. They could lose them and then someone else has access to your house. But these are a nice little object, so they might not realize they're for. You can also give them thumbprint recognition. You can also give them a code if they can remember that. But those are some really cool options to, get access to the house for people who don't normally have access. Also, if you do Airbnb, it's a good way to get access to people using unique codes for people to enter in. But we'll go through this, we'll install it, we'll check out all the instruction manuals, and we'll be back here to talk about it afterwards. Pretty simplistic once the build's done. It's really easy to use. You can see in the app. I thought it was pretty cool, and honestly, I'm happy with how that turned out. It's a great replacement door lock for your use. Well, thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.